Guys, for building confidence, what is important? What is the most important thing? I'm going to tell you. If I have fear of speaking publicly, if I have the fear of speaking on the stage in front of so many guys, in front of so many people, so how can I build the confidence? How can I build? So what should I do so that I can gain confidence, so that I can start speaking in front of many people, in front of on the stage? What should I do? I will have to go on the stage every day. I will have to speak on the stage. Which thing making us fearful? We will have to mess with the same thing. We will have to mess with the same thing. जैसे कि यदि हमें स्टेज में बोलने का डर है तो हमें स्टेज में ही जाना पड़ेगा ना, तभी तो वो डर खत्म होगा ना. हम घर में तो नहीं ऐसा स्टेज बना सकते हैं ना. हमें स्टेज में ही जाना पड़ेगा उस फियर को कम करने के लिए, उस फियर को खत्म करने के लिए. एंड हाउ कैन it be happen? How can it be happen? If you will go every day on the stage and speak in front of the public, every day you will practice. If you will practice on the stage, then your fear will be gone and you will not be afraid of speaking publicly. You will not be afraid of speaking in front of many guys, many people. Only by then you will be able to speak freely without hesitating. Guys, for gaining confidence, for English speaking, for English practice, you have to mess with the people. You have to speak with the people. You have to speak with your friends, whether they are making fun of you, whether they are disturbing you, whether they are being irritated by you. You have to speak, and believe me, if you will do the same thing every day, when it will be common, no one will mess with you, no one will try to hinder you if you are doing the same thing. For example, when I was beginner, I used to speak with friends. Whenever I used to get a chance to speak, I just used to start speaking in English language. Many guys used to say, don't speak in English language. Don't try to be so cool. Many guys used to say, but I did not let them to stop me. I did not stop speaking. I continued my journey. And sometimes after long practice, I found they are not disturbing me. They are not saying stop talking. They are just increasing now. They are encouraging me. They are saying speak in English, what to say it in English, what is the meaning of this. They are saying they are happy. But in starting, they were taking me for granted, because they used to think learning English cannot be easy for him. Learning English cannot be easy for him. I used to speak in front of them. So that is how I just stopped being afraid of the people. I just stopped being afraid of the people because I immersed myself on the horrific environment where I know I can be made fun by so many people. There can be so many guys, they can make fun of me. But I used to go at the same place, at the same situation every day. When you will put yourself on the same situation every day, day by day, your fear will be gone. You will not afraid. You will not be afraid because you are just putting yourself on the same situation every day, and that situation is becoming your habit. Whenever anything becomes habit, that becomes a part of our life. That becomes a part of our life. आपको डेली एक ही सिचुएशन में डालना है खुद को, एक ही सिचुएशन में डेली। आप लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं, उन्हीं के सामने बोलिए, डेली बोलिए, और इसी तरीके से आप अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा पाओगे। और आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जब एक जगह से इंक्रीज होगा ना, आप हर एक जगह इंक्रीज करोगे, फिर आपको कोई डर नहीं लगेगा। जब आपने इतने लोगों के सामने बोलना स्टार्ट किया और आपने कॉन्फिडेंस गेन कर लिया, अब आपको और भी लोगों के साथ में सामने बोलने में डर नहीं लगेगा। बिकॉज यू हैव इमर्स्ड योर सेल्फ इन दैट एनवायरमेंट, यू हैव सेव्ड योर सेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट एनवायरमेंट, and now you are ready enough, you are ready enough to speak confidently, you are ready enough to speak in front of so many guys, and you are the confident guy. That is how you will speak confidently. Okay, if I think you have got the point, you have understood everything what I tried to say you, what I tried to conclude you, you have understood. If you have understood, please do subscribe my channel and like my video and support me, and comment on my video on what topic do I have to make videos. I will make. Have a good day. We will meet in another very specific video. Bye bye.